5 Korean skincare products that actually changed my skin. Hey beautiful people, raise your hand if you've ever felt completely overwhelmed by the Korean skincare world. There are literally thousands of products out there, and TikTok makes it seem like you need all of them. After consulting with dermatologists, beauty editors, and combing through thousands of reviews, today's video narrows down the 5 Korean skincare products that consistently deliver transformative results. These aren't just trending products, these are the holy grail items that top dermatologists recommend, beauty editors repurchase, and that have thousands of 5-star reviews. No more wasting money on products that don't deliver. Before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe and that notification bell because we'll be doing a massive K-beauty giveaway next week featuring everything mentioned today. Let's get into it. First up is what dermatologists call liquid gold in a bottle, the COSRX Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Yes, it's actual snail secretion, and according to every skincare expert interviewed, it's actually magical. Beauty consultant Michelle Lee, former editor-in-chief of Allure, specifically recommends this product for its famous stretch texture. The gooey, almost stringy consistency absorbs quickly without feeling sticky, according to thousands of reviews. This essence is 96% pure snail mucin, which sounds unusual, but clinical studies suggest it improves skin's overall hydration, texture, and elasticity, according to Dr. Christine Hall, a dermatologist and K-beauty devotee. It's essentially like giving your skin a big drink of water while also helping with texture and smoothness, plumping fine lines, and creating the perfect base for makeup. In before and after photos shared by users online, the difference after just 2 weeks is striking. Users report bouncy, smooth skin with a subtle glow that makes them look well-rested and hydrated. At around 19, beauty editors consider it a steal for how long it lasts. Most recommend using it morning and night after cleansing and before moisturizer. Next is the product that beauty experts agree completely revolutionizes cleansing routines. The Then I Met You cleansing duo is widely regarded as the gold standard of the famous Korean double cleanse method. Dermatologists praise the gorgeous yellow living cleansing balm for how effectively it melts away makeup and sunscreen. Even professional makeup artists report that waterproof mascara doesn't stand a chance against it. According to cosmetic chemists, the magic lies in its transformation from a solid balm to a silky oil that dissolves everything. The olive oil and grapeseed oils are so nourishing that users never report that stripped feeling common with other cleansers. The companion Soothing Tea Cleansing Gel has what reviewers call the most satisfying, bouncy texture. Together, they leave skin perfectly clean but still hydrated, according to clinical tests. The $70 price point might seem steep for cleansers, but beauty editors report actually saving money because they no longer need separate makeup removers, micellar waters, and other cleansers. According to user reviews, this duo lasts about 3-4 months of daily use, which breaks down to less than $1 a day for what many call the perfect cleanse. Product number 3 is the sunscreen that dermatologists actually want their patients to apply daily, the beauty of Hoson Relief Sunrise, Yaon Probiotics. Skincare professionals highlight how lightweight and milky this formula is. While American sunscreens often feel heavy, multiple dermatologists confirm this one truly disappears into the skin. With SPF 50 Yaon but none of the typical sunscreen downsides, it's earned the nickname Invisible Shield among beauty editors. No white cast, no greasiness, no pilling under makeup. Researchers point to the rice extract as the key soothing ingredient, and clinical tests show it actually improves skin appearance immediately after application. In side-by-side comparisons conducted by beauty labs, the difference between this and typical drugstore sunscreens is remarkable. At around $14, it's not the cheapest sunscreen, but according to dermatologist Dr. Jeanette Jackas, it's the one patients actually finish and immediately repurchase. As she points out, what good is the fanciest skincare routine if you're not protecting your skin from the sun? Number 4 is the product that beauty editors report their entire family steal, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This little pot of magic has over 14 5-star reviews for good reason. The Wirecutter beauty team reports this has more fans among their staff than any other product they tested. It comes in amazing flavors like berry, gummy bear, and grapefruit, with many users keeping one by their bed, one in their purse, and one at their desk. Despite being called a sleeping mask, beauty experts use this throughout the day. Clinical tests show it's not sticky like most lip balms and leaves this beautiful glossy finish that makes lips look naturally fuller. The recommended application technique from the brand is a thick layer at night, resulting in completely transformed lips by morning, no more dryness or flaking. During the day, beauty editors use a thinner layer for that perfect glossy look. At 24, it's definitely a splurge for a lip product, but according to long-term users, one pot lasts about 6 months of daily use. Numerous beauty editors report trying countless dupes, and nothing compares to the original. And finally, the moisturizer that dermatologists specifically recommend for combination skin, Belif's the True Cream Aqua Bomb. Beauty chemists praise its innovative gel cream texture that feels like cool water on the skin and absorbs instantly according to absorption tests. Unlike heavy creams that sit on top of the skin, laboratory tests confirm this literally melts in and hydrates from within. Dermatologists recommend it for oily and combination skin types, hot weather, wearing under makeup, and anyone who hates that heavy moisturizer feeling. In clinical before and after photos, you can see how it gives that perfect dewy finish without looking greasy. That's the Korean skincare philosophy in action. Hydration is everything. At 32 for the smaller size, it's not cheap, but according to beauty editors who track their product usage, you need so little that one jar lasts about 3-4 months. So there you have it, the top 5 Korean skincare products that dermatologists, beauty editors, and thousands of reviewers agree can transform your skin. Remember, Korean skincare isn't about quick fixes or harsh treatments. Experts emphasize it's about nourishing your skin barrier, staying hydrated, and being consistent. Which of these are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for next week's massive K-Beauty giveaway. If you want to see a detailed morning and night routine using these products, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, beautiful people. See you in the next one.